This is our dog Maxine, and this is her graveyard of toys. Toys don't last long in our house. Not the elephant, not Pikachu, not whatever this is. We've tried a lot of different toys, all destroyed within a day or two. What a bloodbath. So we were really excited when we got our Super Chewer box in the mail. This month's theme was Barkfist in bed. Usually Maxine is pretty patient when we need to film an ad for the internet, but she wasn't too happy she had to wait to play with these toys. What? This month's box included a treat dispensing rubber rough berry, a nylon and rubber banana, and a nylon egg. The boxes also come with a ton of treats. Now that we got the product shots out of the way, it was time to see what Maxine thought of the toys. We put some of the treats in the rough berry. She loved that. That kept her busy for a while. Then we even hid the banana amongst her other toys, and we're honestly surprised that it's all she wanted to play with. So if your little chunk is a toy monster like Maxine, we highly recommend the Super Chewer box. So go to superchewer.com and customize your dog's box of tough toys and tasty treats.